In this video, I'll show you how you can open RAR files in your PC. Now, as you can see here, I have a WinRar file at .rar, and the way that you can do this is you need to download something called WinRar. Now, let me show you what this is. Simply search for WinRar on Google, go to the first one, download free, choose the download right here, and download. Don't worry, you don't have to ever buy it, just press download and it will come up here. And then it's very easy to set up. Now what this does is it will compact the files in one of these. In here you can have many different folders, and when you download new folder files, it will be downloaded as a WinRar file. Now this is super good, and it's really nice to have, and almost everyone uses WinRar. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, if you want to make your own WinRar file right here, you can simply right click new and WinRar. You can also do a zipped version, so it's locked, and that's how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.